जय राधा माधव जय कुंज जय राधा माधव जय Hare Hare स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद महाराज की, इस्कॉन फाउंडर आचार्य श्रील प्रभुपाद महाराज की, जैन विष्णुपाद परमहंस प्रियचार्य शिशुमान भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर श्रील प्रभुपाद महाराज की, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की, नामाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की, प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद की, ग्रंथराश्रम भागवतम की, समवेत भक्तवृंद की, ताय गौर प्रेमानंदे, all glories to same devotees, all glories to same devotees, all glories to same devotees, all glories to Sri Guru Granth Srila Prabhupada Maharaj की। ओम ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामीति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। श्री चैतन्य मनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपं कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहना रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवम् साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगना ललिता श्रीशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधाकांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदानाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामे गौरतिष्ठे नमः जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि शिववृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरो दीनतां परमानन्दमाधवम् ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते Hare Krishna. So it's a great fortune to have His Grace Mathuradish Prabhu amongst us today. So just a short introduction about Prabhuji. Anyways, we had circulated the message also. So Prabhuji is currently the Vice Chairman of ISKCON Bhagavat Mahavidyalaya, Vrindavan. So just 2 weeks back, we had His Grace Sankarshan Thai Prabhu here. So he is the chairman, so Prabhu is with him. And the most important thing is, Prabhu had spent his childhood, right from the age of 12, with Gaur Govind Maharaj. So in fact, I was fortunate to hear, so Prabhuji was sharing that Prabhuji would go and sit in his room and Gaur Govind Maharaj would give instructions personally. So this was a very, very personal association which Prabhuji got. And Prabhuji served as a brahmachari in Brahmaneshwar temple and Gadigiri temple. He was also there as a pujari. And even in Noida he served. Now he's currently in Vrindavan. So it's a great fortune to hear him. So let's welcome Prabhuji by loudly chanting Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. So reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 4, Chapter 18, Text 5. ताननार्पितो यो विद्वान् अर्थानारभते स्वयं तस्य व्यभिचरितो अर्था आरब्धाश्च पुनः पुनः ताननार्पितो विद्वान् अर्थान् आरभते स्वयं तस्य व्यभिचरन्त्यर्था आरभाष च पुनः पुनः ताननार्पितो यो विद्वान् अर्थान् आरभते स्वयं तस्य विचारत्यर्था आरभाष च पुनः पुनः
अर्थानारभते स्वयं तस्य व्यभिचरन्त्यर्था आरभताश्च पुनः पुनः तान् अनादृत्य यो विद्वान् अर्थान् आरभते स्वयं तस्य व्यभिचरन्त्यर्था आरब्धाश्च पुनः पुनः
तान् अनादृत्य विद्वान् आरभते स्वयं विचरन्ति अर्थाः आरब्धाश्च पुनः पुनः
तान् अनादृत्य यो विद्वान् अर्थान् आरभते स्वयं तस्य व्यभिचरन्त्यर्था आरब्धाश्च पुनः पुनः
तस्य विचारन्त्यर्था आरब्धाश्च पुनः पुनः
ताननादृत्य यो विद्वान् आरभते स्वयं
तस्य विचारन्त्यर्था आरब्धाश्च पुनः पुनः Translation Tan those Natya neglecting anyone who Avidha rascal Arthan schemes Arabate begins Swayam personally Tasya is Gavicharanti do not become successful Artha purposes Arabdha attempt cha and punah again and again. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki translation. A foolish person who manufactures his own ways and means through mental speculation and doesn't recognize the authority of the sages who lay down unimpeachable directions is simply unsuccessful again and again in his attempts. Purport. At the present moment, it has become fashionable to disobey the unimpeachable directions given by acharyas and liberated souls of the past. Presently, people are so fallen that they cannot distinguish between a liberated soul and a conditioned soul. A conditioned soul is empowered by four defects. He is sure to commit mistakes. He is sure to become illusion. He has a tendency to cheat others, and his senses are imperfect. Consequently, we have to take direction from liberated persons. This Krishna consciousness movement directly receives instructions from the Supreme Personality of Godhead via persons who are strictly following his instructions. Although a follower may not be liberated person, if he follows the Supreme Liberated Personality of Godhead, his actions are naturally liberated from the contamination of the material nature. Lord Chaitanya therefore says, by my order, you may become a spiritual master. One can immediately become a spiritual master by having full faith in transcendental words of Supreme Personality of Godhead and by following his instructions. Materialistic men are not interested in taking directions from a liberated persons, but they are very much interested in their own concord ideas which make them repeatedly fail in their attempts. Because the entire world is now following the imperfect directions of conditioned souls, humanity is completely bewildered. With the worship of Sri Guru and Gauranga, Sri Gandharvika Giridhari, Sri Lakshmi Nrsimhadev, Srila Prabhupada Maharaj, Srila Guru Maharaj, we are here able to speak something about Srimad Bhagavatam, and also you are eligible for the hearing of Srimad Bhagavatam. Actually, it is not our qualification to say something about Srimad Bhagavatam, but by the causeless mercy of our Guru Parampara, we are trying to glorify Srimad Bhagavatam or the Supreme Personality of Godhead by the words of Srimad Bhagavatam, by the verses of Srimad Bhagavatam. It's just causeless mercy of Supreme Personality of Godhead and our Acharyas. So now let us glorify Supreme Personality of Godhead with the help of this verse. We will understand whatever our Acharya, previous Acharya said. We will try to discuss that things. So in this verse, here especially his translation is like that: a foolish person who manufactures his own ways and means through mental speculation. Actually, those who are the devotees of Krishna's, they are very clever. Je jana bhaje Krishna se vada chatur. Those who are worshipping the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna, they are very, very, very clever. And jo jana bhaje maya se ve fatur. Those who worshipping Maya, their fatur means they just misguided and they are just foolish person. Here it's saying, first wording Srila Prabhupada is saying, a foolish person. Actually, a devotee cannot be foolish because he chatur is very clever. But those who are non-devotees, or actually, what is the meaning of a devotee? We have to understand very, very carefully, and in a deep meaning, in an absolute consideration, we have to understand this. Who is a devotee? Yesterday, we were just discussing in ICC temple that just doing tilak and wearing kanthimala and wearing dhotis or saris is not a symptom of a devotee. Though it's the dress code of a devotee Vaishnava, still those who are Vaishnavas, even to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra is not so easy. By the mercy of Guru and Gauranga, after many, many lives, we are able to chant and utter the name of Sri Krishna. So it is just their causeless mercy. But so-called devotion is very dangerous. In Sanskrit, there is a say that alpa jnana bhayankari. Less knowledge, limited knowledge is very, very dangerous. So sometimes it's happening. Even also after becoming devotee, so many so-called devotees are there. They are also doing their activities in a foolish manner. They are not following, we are saying the previous acharyas. Whatever the sages, the previous acharyas said, they are not just following them. They are creating their own mental speculation. Just creating and just always they are creating their mental speculation. I can remember when I was a new devotee, joining time, always some temple commander, he was coming and instructing us to do some service. And so many devotees there at the new devotee room. So what happened? So a late night, that time our Guru Maharaj, he had came to give the Bhagavata Saptaha. So after taking prasadam, it was late night, almost like 10 or 11 p.m. like that. So at that time, the temple commander called us to clean that prasadam area, 11 p.m. So we were just preparing to sleep that time at 11 p.m. like that. So after serving the devotees, we were just going to sleep. But temple commander called us, so we have to go. Though we don't want to go, but still we have to go. So because it was late night, almost time is over. Still we are gone. But one devotee said, no, I don't want to go. Is Prabhu so late, Prabhu? So then, the temple commander said, the real bhajan is that to serve the Vaishnavas. So that devotee said, bhajan means bhaj, means seva, means service. And now means no. Bhaj means seva, no means nahi. And those who are not doing bhajan, those who not serve, that is bhajan. It's mental speculation. The word bhaj comes from the seva. This means seva, bhaj dhatu. So bhajan means those who are serving Lord and Lord's devotee, that is called bhajan. Why we are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra? Just we are praying to God, O Radha Krishna, please give me your eternal service. That is the meaning of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Always Prabhupada is saying. So, but sometimes some devotees, they are doing their mental speculation. Bhaj means seva, no mane nahi. So, bhajan. So, it's not the meaning. Actual meaning is not like that. But they are doing like this. So, one devotee is one time in Juhu temple, he said, oh, Mahaprabhu is saying Kirtanya Sadahari. Chant Hare Krishna always. Day and night, 24 hours we have to chant. That is our destination. That is our goal. But Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he said 64 rounds. And again Srila Prabhupada reduced it to how many rounds? 16 rounds. I will reduce something. It's very boredom for me. I cannot reduce. I am also Guru Parampara. By Guru Parampara I am also coming. So sometimes some devotees are doing mental speculation. So this is foolishness. So so-called devotion is not a perfect devotion. Our devotion is not perfect. That's why sometimes we are doing also mental speculation. So you have to very, very careful for this. So normally the devotion we are doing, that is the speculation, mental normal. Generally some devotees are doing that. Sometimes very partial devotion we are doing. Means if our goal is to do the devotional activity 100% and we are doing 0.1%, then that is said partial devotion. And another devotion is that is artificial devotion. Artificial devotion. Artificially, so many things we are doing. We can judge ourselves what we are doing. We have not given the task to judge others. The judgment power is just for they have the power. Guru and the authority can judge. Because if we judge others, then we will find faults. So we have to judge ourselves. Cheto Darpana Marjana. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, we have to judge ourselves. We have to clean our heart with the holy names. So some devotees, they are doing artificial devotion, and some are doing pretensional devotion. Kapat bhakti, pretensional devotion. That sometimes what is happening, sometimes at the time of chanting, you're sleeping, no? Sometimes you feel sleepy. The commander is coming. I say, Prabhu, you are, please chant. You are sleeping, Prabhu. No, Prabhuji, I am thinking about Krishna. So many times devotees are saying like that. That is pretensional devotion. Because we don't want to insult ourselves. We want prestige. We want glory. That's why we are saying like that. But that is pretensional. Krishna is not happy with this. We have to be very, very truthful. So this is also foolishness. This so-called devotion, by this so-called devotion, Krishna will not happy. At least we will do also partial devotion also. Still Krishna will happy. But partial devotion is not our goal. We have to do 100% devotion. That is our goal. So when that will come, when we will follow the footprints of our previous acharyas, then only it can be possible. We have to follow the previous sages, acharyas, then only it can be possible. So those who are the Krishna devotees, they are very, very clever. Jejana bhaje Krishna sevana chatu. But sometimes manoratha dhavati means we are doing mental speculation. And that's why when we are doing our mental speculation, we will not attract to Krishna. Rather we will attract to Maya. Maya. Who is Maya? Who can say? What is the definition of Maya? Absence of Krishna is Maya. Krishna surcha samahaya Maya haya andhakara Jaha Krishna taha nahi Maya radhikara. Krishna surya sama Maya haya andhakara. Krishna is like crores of sun. And Maya haya andhakar. Maya is here. Maya is compared with darkness. Andhakar, totally darkness. And when the sun God is there is not a single chance of darkness. But still darkness can possible. If you will say, no, I don't want light, I will close all the doors and windows. Still some lights are coming. Gap of the windows and doors. Then, no, I don't want light. I will cover my body totally with a black blanket. Then when the sun, you can see sun. No, it's not possible. Then darkness is there. So we are like that. Always Krishna is there in our heart with Shastras, in the words of our previous acharyas and sages. But still we want to cover our consciousness with the very deep black blanket. And how the sunlight we can see? There is no scope. So this type of foolishness we are doing. From time immemorial we are doing that. Anadi karma phale padi bhavar navajane. From time immemorial we are doing like that. That's why we are not eligible to see Krishna or feel Krishna. Though Krishna is always with us. He is the real friend. He is the real friend. Always, even also you will go to the hellish planet, still Krishna will be there. In Yatana Sarir, Krishna is also there. Krishna is very, very merciful. Consciousness is coming from Krishna. So Krishna will be always with us. But we don't want Krishna. We want Maya. And Maya also don't want. Maya is not welcoming us. He is not inviting us. Oh Jiva, please enjoy me. No. Maya is Krishna's energy. Daivi hesa gunamayi mama maya durattaya. Krishna's energy is Maya. But we want to enjoy. Oh Maya, please come. I want to enjoy. And what is that Maya? That is Yoga Maya? No. That is Maya? No. Govinda Maharaj was saying that is ugly witch of Maya. Ugly witch of Maya. We are welcoming, we are inviting that Maya. Very, very lowest quality of Maya. That is ugly witch of Maya. We want to enjoy that. Still that ugly witch of Maya also is not interested with us. That ugly witch of Maya also, he said, no, you are not eligible for me. He's kicking, just go, get out from here. No, one time I want to enjoy. Oh, from time immemorial you are enjoying. 100 of lives you enjoyed. Crores of life you enjoyed. No, just one time. Just one time. Sometimes children are saying, Mommy, I want a chocolate. Oh, many times I have given. No, one time, please. This is the last one. This is the last one. So we are saying like that. In every life, we are saying, we are requesting that ugly witch of Maya. Oh Maya, oh ugly witch of Maya. I will do your arati. I will worship you. Please, I want to enjoy. Give me a chance. Last chance. After that, I will not do. But the last chance never comes. After that, again we are saying, last. Prabhu kahe kari gunu, hare tu papa, jagai madhai kahe, ar nai re bapo. Chaitanya Bhagavat is saying, Prabhu kaila karibu nai re pap. Jagai Madhai was such a fallen person. They are such a person, but still Nityananda Prabhu did mercy to them. And Prabhu means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after giving mercy, his golden complex became black. He accepted all the sin from the Jagai and Madhai. So that's why Diksha, at the time of initiation, Guru Maharaj, the spiritual master also, is taking all the scene. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu becomes Syama. Gauranga Swarupa became Syama Swarupa. The golden complexion of Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is become black with the scene of Jagai and Madhai. But after that, Prabhu did a condition to Jagai and Madhai. Prabhu koila koribu naire pa. Prabhu means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, "Oh Jagai Madhai, many times you did, but after this will not do. You will not do." Then Jagai Madhai said, "Jagai Madhai pe ar naire pa." Jagai Madhai said, "No, Pap means, oh my father, oh Supreme Father, oh Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. No, we will not, never will do the sinful activities. But we are doing Arva, 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 Arva. One time I want to do. Prabhuji, from Ekadasi I will start. Prabhuji, from next Janmashtami I will start. We are giving so many dates, but the date is not coming. That is the foolishness. Because we want to enjoy the ugly witch of Maya. But Maya don't want to enjoy. Maya is Krishna's energy. Then how to overcome this Maya? Mame jo prapaddante Maya metam tarante. Those who will fully surrender unto the lotus feet of Krishna, then only he can overcome Maya. Mame jo prapaddante Maya metam tarante. So what happened? This foolishness here is Prabhupada discussing is very, very dangerous. Because in foolishness, the foolish person, what he is doing is always doing according to his mental speculation. And mental speculation is very, very dangerous. That time what Sahaja Bhavs will come. Sahaja Bhav. Bhakti Vinod Thakur in his Baul Geet, he had written about Sahajiyas. Tumay matha neda kopin para naker tilak galer mala beta sahaj bhajan karche mamu. It's in Bengali. Beta sahaj bhajan karche mamu সঙ্গে নেই পরের বালা দেখতে বৈষ্ণবর মত অসল স্বার্থ কাজের বেলা কথা চলে মহাজন কো দেখছে শালা সখী ভাব হয় নিজে হয় নন্দলালা এসব কলির চেলা এসব কলির চেলা. Meaning is like that. তোমায় মাথে নেড়া কোপিন পারা. Very nicely they saved their hair. Mathe neda kopin para. Only they are wearing the inner garment that is kopin. Such a vairagi, such a renounced person. That devotee, that Sahaja is saying about Kalir Chela, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying. Actually, our Goswami, they also were like that. But they are not Sahajiyas. Why they did? Taktaturna sesa mandalapati Srinim sadatu chava Vrutvadina ganesika karunayo Kopina kanthasrito. Kopina kanthasrito. For what? Kopi bhava rasam buddhi lahari kallola magnor moho bande rupa sanatano raghujugo Sri Jiva Gopalako. the six Goswami in Vrindavan, they also did like that. They were wearing just coping. Kantha Gopinasrito. But Etta Turna Sesa Mandala Patisraim Sada Tuchava. They left all the things, all the wealth, like a king they were. Asayasa Mandala Pati. Her Gopi Bhava Rasambadhil Lahari. To achieve, to get the Gopi Bhav. They followed whatever Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said. But Sahajiyas are not doing like that because they are foolish persons. Always they are doing their mental speculation. Tumai mathe neda kopin para naker tilak galer mala. They are doing nicely tilak. Galer mala, kanthi mala. Dekhte Vaishnavar mato. And you will see that type of Sahajiyas. Oh, he's a real Vaishnava. Nicely dressed, such a renounced person. Dekhte Vaishnava Ramato, but Ashol-shakta kajere bela. But they are Saktas. Saktas, those who are worshipping the Devi, like Chandi, Tantric Upasana. In a tantric way, they are worshipping. Ashol Shakta Kajere Bela. Sahaj Bhajan Karche Mamu. Sahaj Bhajan. They are doing Sahajiya Bhajan. What is Sahaj Bhajan? Sahajiya Bhajan? In Bengal it says, Beta Hariya Hariya bol, Magru Machel Jog Jugati Sange Kol. Chant Hari Hari. Chant Hari Hari, take fish curry. Chant Hari Hari, take fish curry. This is Sahajiya Bhajan. Sahaj Bhajan Karche Mamu. We are chanting Hari Hari. With the name of Hari Hari, all the sin will go. Vanished from our body, our life, everything it will go. Whatever sinful activities we did, because we are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Harinam, then what is we are taking, what is we are eating, there is nothing concerned about that. That's why chant Hari Hari, take fish curry. Take fish curry. This is Sahajiya Bhajan. Sahaj Bhajan Karche Mano Sange Nei Parer Bala. He's saying, oh, Krishna, he had so many girl companions. I have only one. I have only one. This is imperfect. This is not correct. I have to correct myself. At least I have 2, 3. It can be many, but at least I have 2, 3 girl companions, then it's okay. I am the real follower of Krishna. Sahajiyas are saying like that. Sahaj Bhajan Karche Mamu Sange Nei Parer Bala. That all the girls are here in this universe just for enjoyment. They are saying like that. That is their philosophy. In Bhaktivinoda Thakur time, this type of one Sahajiya was there. His name was Rishikesha. You heard about that, no? Rishikesha, one in Khandagiri, one mountain is there in Bhubaneswar. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he was the governor that time. That time he was a government official. No? So when he heard that this Rishikesha on Purnima, Kartik, Rash Purnima, he had given message to near village people, on Ras Purnima I will do Maharas. Rishikesha, like our devotee, when Janmashtami date is coming, big posters are, you can see on the street also. So that type of poster where he published, everywhere it was very popular. Because Rishikesan will do Maharaj. One person said to Bhaktivinoda Thakur, that time his name was Kedarnath Datta. So he was the official, government official there. Very high level post was that. So when he heard that Rishikesan is doing like that, he just simply have gone with some police and he arrested. Whatever else you want to do, just do in jail. Whatever else you want to do, just do in jail. So many gopi will come. When Krishna was playing his flute, that time so many gopis they came. Ati Suta Beya Bhatru Bandhava Ati Vilange Te Achyuta Gata. Because Krishna is Achyuta. For Achyuta we can leave anyone. Even as a father, even as a mother, even as a son, even as a daughter. Because Achyuta, we are doing that thing. Here is the Achyuta word is very important. Ati Vilange Te Achyuta Gata. So, if you want to do Maharaj, then just play flute here. And so many gopi will come to this jail. And also such a, their follower, they just said like that, oh Krishna, he had taken bath in jail. Our God, Rishikesan, also he had gone to jail. The similarity is there. So this type of things happening in nowadays also. Nowadays so many sahajas are there, so-called God are there. They are saying themselves, I am God. In South India also I heard like that, Amma Bhagavan, something like that. So many people are there. All over the world. Everywhere. That time also there, this type of people were there. So Sahaj Bhajan Karche Mamu Sange Nahi Parer Bala. And here Prabhupada is saying, Katha Chale Saha Mahajan Ko Deche Shala. Oh, whatever Krishna is saying, that is not correct. Who had seen in the battlefield of Mahabharata that Krishna had said this thing? You had seen? No, I had not seen. Then whatever I am saying, this is the main Gita. That is the correct Gita. They are just giving their mental speculation. Amu Gita, Sai Gita, so many Gitas are there. They are saying just follow this one. Katha chale Mahajan ko deche chala. Anyhow, they will just point out our previous Acharya, Mahajans. Katha chale Mahajan ko deche chala. Shakhi bhav hui nije hui nandalala. But at the end of this Baul Geet, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, Esa Kalir Chela. They are just a follower of Kali. Real follower of Kali. Just not follower, real follower of Kali. So, we will not do this type of Sahaja things. We are just following whatever our previous acharyas said. That is our life and soul. We don't know wherever we will go. One time, one devotee asked one material person, he asked Srila Prabhupada, oh, you are worshipping Krishna, doing so many things for Krishna. If just suppose there is no Krishna, what will happen to you? What will happen? Where you will go? What will happen? So Prabhupada said, okay, I am agree with you. If there is no Krishna, okay, still we are enjoying. We are taking Mahaprasad, we are dancing in ecstasy, we are playing Vridangas, Kartal, we are on the way, on the street, we are dancing also. One normally person cannot dance on the street. A devotee are dancing. Such freeness is there. A very enjoyable life. Taking prasadam, very nice palatable dishes are there. Malpuas, rasgullas, kheer. So many items are there. Chappan bhogas. We are taking Chappan Mahaprasad. Enjoying our life. Just enjoying. Chant and be happy. So it's okay. Still Krishna is also not there. Still our life is very enjoyable. Very, very joyful life. But suppose I am also asking a question to you. If suppose Krishna is there, then what will happen to you? Where you will go? Just you will go to the hellish planet only. स्वकर्म करिया जाए रौरवे पड़ी मजे. So just in mood of goodness, still we are seeing the normal person and in material life we can see, oh, we are not doing any bad activities. We are not disturbing anyone. We are seeing our life just. They all are in the mood of goodness, but still they will go to hellish planet. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, Chari varna chari asrama jadi Krishna nahi bhaje swakarma kariya jaye raurave padi maje. Chari varna chari asrama jadi Krishna nahi bhaje. Four varna. What is four varna? Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, and Chari Asrama, four asrama, that is Brahmachari, Grihastha, Vanaprasthi, Sannyasi. Just they will do their own activities, prescribed duty, what is normally outwardly is mentioned in Shastra also. Still they will go to hellish planet. Swakarma kariya jaye Raurave padi maje. They will go to hellish planet, especially one special branch of hellish planet is there. That is Raurava Narka. In that Narka, in that hellish planet, Ruru, the name of that insect is Ruru, is very dangerous. And each and every time we will just eat all the body. Again one lively body will come, Yatana Sari. Again he will eat. And from time immemorial it is happening. So we have to face that one. It will just do our own work. In a mood of goodness also, we have to go to the hellish planet. So we have to become the devotee. And devotee, whatever the previous acharyas said, we have to follow the Guru Parampara system. Then only we can get that position, that is the devotee position. It's very, very rare actually in comparison with God and a devotee. The devotee position is heavy. Krishna is saying like that. In Ramayana is mentioned about Hanuman. Hanuman is Mahabhagyavan. Very, very fortunate. Actually, those who have gotten the human life, they are very, very fortunate. Bahunam Janmante. After that also one is becoming devotee. Again he is so fortunate. Bhagyavan, Ati Bhagyavan. Fortunate and most fortunate. And actually English there is no word. The level will increase now. Most after most, what we will say? Extreme. Supermost. And so after supermost? Super. There is no word. So one is Bhagyavan, means those person is very fortunate, is getting human life. After getting human life, if he is becoming devotee, then he is most fortunate. And after that also, after becoming a devotee, if what is happening, the devotee is going to Krishna house, that is temple. Sometimes what is happening, such devotees are there, like Srila Prabhupada, when he was in Jaladuta, it was a ship just going to USA, America. That was not a temple, but Krishna came to him. Then what? Most fortunate after that? Then say, English people say. After most fortunate, what is the word will come? Huh? Supermost. Okay. No, it is saying supermost. Supermost fortunate, Srila Prabhupada was such type of devotee. After that, also one level is there. Prabhupada crossed all the level. But I am discussing according to Ramayana. Because sometimes what is happening, Krishna is going to that devotee. Mere ghar Ramji aaye. How? Because Ahalya, Valmiki, the sage Valmiki is saying, Ahalya, she had not gone to Ayodhya. But Ramji, along with Vishwamitra, they had gone to Ahalya to deliver Ahalya. She is supermost fortunate. Supermost. Huh? Okay. Supermost fortunate. So Valmiki Rishi is saying, Bhagyavan, Ati Bhagyavan, Ati Badi Bhagyavan. Again, who is giving his life for the service of Lord is again, what is the level? Most, supermost, then supermost fortunate. He is Jatayu. Jatayu, he had given his life for Ramachandra. Because Ravan was kidnapping Mother Sita in Pustak Viman. Then Jatayu protested. It was a big war with Ravana and Jatayu. In that war, Jatayu had given his life for Ramachandra, Lord Ramachandra. So Ahalya, what happens to Ahalya? Ati Bhagyavan, Ati Badi Bhagyavan. Still, where she had gone? Pati Lok. She had gone to Pati Lok. Pati Lok means she had gone to Gautam Muni, husband. Her husband is Gautam. She had gone to there. She had not gone to Saket Dham. But Jatayu, Valmiki Muni is mentioning Jatayu, he had gone to Saket Dham. So Jatayu is more fortunate than most fortunate. Super most fortunate. Again, one level is coming. Super most fortunate is Jatayu. Because he had given his life for the service of Lord Ramachandra. Again, in comparison with Jatayu, if you will compare with Jatayu, Hanuman is most fortunate. Because Swam Ramachandra, Lord Ramachandra, he is glorifying Hanuman. He wants to hear about Hanuman from Jambavant. He asked question. I want to hear the Katha of Hanuman. Hanuman wants to hear Ram Katha, but Lord Ramachandra wants to hear Hanuman Katha. Ati Badi Ati Bhagyavan. Hanuman Sam Bhagyavan na koi. Why? In absolute consideration of the theme, Hanuman is supermost fortunate because when Ramachandra, he had gone to Saket Dham and he asked Hanuman, "Oh Hanuman, whole life you just served me. What you got? What you got? What prize you have got? Nothing. Just like a servant." But Hanuman was smiling. Then Lord Ramachandra, he asked Hanuman, "Why you are smiling?" So Hanuman said, "See, Lord Ramachandra, oh my Prabhu, you had given the kingdom of Kiskinda to Sugriva. It's one pada. Valmiki Ramayana is mentioning the Ekapada Vibhuti. This, to get a kingdom is compared with pada. Pada means the lotus feet. Ekapada. So, and you had given the kingdom of Lanka to Vibhishana. Also Ekapada, he gotten. But to say you have also gotten the kingdom of Ayodhya, that is also Ekapada. You are not so fortunate. You are same like Vibhishana and Sugriva. But I am most fortunate because I have gotten Dvipada means two lotus feet I have, your lotus feet. I have gotten that kingdom. This kingdom will finish, it will vanish, but this kingdom will not finish. It is always with me. If even also you will leave this world, you leave this Ayodhya Dham, but still you have to present because I am here. When Hanuman is there, Ramchandra, he have to come. He have to present in that place. Hanuman is, that's why most fortunate. Because he is a devotee. He is a devotee. He is a devotee. A pure devotee. Dasya Bhakti. So Hanuman is like that. Even also wherever Ram Katha is going, Krishna Katha is going, Hanuman is present there. Not only in single place. Suppose you can think if now is we are doing Krishna Katha, means Hanuman is here. Hanuman is here. He can't stay. Not only here, wherever the Krishna Katha is going, Ram Katha is going, at each and every place Hanuman is there. Hanuman will be present. That's why it's Ati Bada Bhagi. Bada Bhagi Angad Hanumana Chapat Kamal Charana Vidhinana. Ramayana is mentioned. Bada Bhagi Angad Hanumana. Angad and Hanuman, they were just worshipping Lord Ramachandra. They are doing service to the lotus feet of Lord Ramachandra. Chapat Charana Kamala Vidhinana. In many way, they are serving Lord Ramachandra, massaging. That type of service a normal person cannot get. Even also for Lakshmi also it is not possible because Mahalakshmi, she was in Ashokavana. That time Mahalakshmi was not there. Sita was not there with Ramachandra. Each and every time, Angad, Hanuman, they were worshipping Lord Ramachandra. They were massaging Ramachandra. Vidhi Nana. One time our Guru Maharaj said in a what is it? Acupressure. One time what happened in Vrindavan, some acupressure organization, they called our Guru Maharaj. So they discussed so many things. Some sadhus were there. So they had said that this acupressure technology, this type of thing, this comes from China. But at the end of that speech, Guru has said this. He quote this verse: "Chapata kamala charana vidhi nana." Vidhinana means in many way, Hanuman and Angada, they were massaging Ramachandra. Not only acupressure, whatever the way and procedure are there for massaging, every procedure is in India. And it is produced by Hanuman and Angada. They are the real father of acupressure. Chapata Kamala Charana Vidhinana. Vidhinana means in a multiple way. In multiple way they were worshipping Lord Ramachandra, massaging Ramachandra. So all the technology, all the science, whatever in a medical or scientific or whatever may be, is come from India. Deshanam Jambudipam. Tau Bharatavarsho. That's why devotee, the position of devotee is more superior. You can't imagine. So if we follow the footprints of our previous acharyas, then only we can realize these things. What position we have? A devotee position is not a normal position, not an ordinary position. It's very spacious, very special. Lord considering him very special. Krishna considering him very special. So we have to very careful for that, because one time there is song in Hindi. Because if you will do some bad karma, then Prabhupada will very unhappy with this. Because what happening? Sometimes the children are doing something that is not good. So what happening? The principal is calling to the parents. So if you do like that, some bad things, then God will ask to Prabhupada, oh, what your followers are doing? You will be criticized by the Lord. So we will not do like that. That's why you have to be very careful. घनश्याम तुम्हारे जीवन को बाजी लगा चुके. In Hindi, one song is there. तुम मानो या ना मानो हम तुमको अपना बना चुके. It's very the dedicated devotee, he's saying like that. तुम मानो या ना मानो हम तुमको अपना बना चुके. अगर दुर्गति मेरी होगी अपकीर्ति भी तेरी होगी. अगर दुर्गति मेरी होगी अपकीर्ति भी तेरी होगी, क्योंकि नंद सुदन गोपाल के हैं ये बात जगत को बता चुके. घनश्याम तुम्हारे मिलने को जीवन के बाजी लगा चुके. Meaning is like that. Ghanashyam तुम्हारे मिलने को, to meet with you, Ghanashyam, oh Lord Shyam Sundara, to meet with you, we have given our life, so-called material life. जीवन के बाजी लगा चुके. तुम मानो या ना मानो, whether you are considering me like your devotee, I don't care about that. But I am trying my best. I am following whatever our previous acharyas said. This is the dedication. It is very the dedicated soul word. Not ordinary devotee is saying like that. And what an ordinary devotee cannot say like that. तुम मानो या ना मानो हम तुमको अपना बना चुके. I consider you are my life and soul. But after that also I will face Durgati. Then अगर दुर्गति मेरी होगी अपकीर्ति भी तेरी होगी. You will be criticized by the people. Oh, he was a Krishna devotee. See what happened to him. He will not say that. They will not say that Mathura is. They will say Krishna devotee. They will say Krishna devotee. They will say the normal people. They know it's Hare Krishna people, the ISKCON people. They are saying like that, no. So अगर दुर्गति मेरी होगी, अपकीर्ति भी तेरी होगी. You will be criticized by the people because your name will be Krishna devotee. क्यों? Why? क्योंकि नंद सुदन गोपाल के हैं, ये बात जगत को बता चुके. क्योंकि because we are not ourselves, we are not for our family. क्योंकि नंद सुदन गोपाल के हैं, we are yours. O Gopal, you are the life and soul for me. That's why you will be criticized. I will not criticize. My name will vanish. Your name will come. That's why be careful. Just deliver me. You have to be very careful. I will not careful. Just deliver me. So dedicated devotees saying like that. So many words are there. The sadhus of Vrindavan, they are saying like that. माला करुणा कर जपू जीवाना करू राम मेरा सुमिरन हरि करे मैं पाऊं I will not chant your name. I will not chant your name. Oh Krishna, I will not chant your name. माला करुणा करो जपू जीवाना करू राम. My tongue will not say your name because I am a devotee. How many times I will do? From time immemorial I am doing. I am chanting your name selflessly. Whether you have to chant my name. Because from time immemorial I am chanting. Mera sumiran Hari kare. Because Hari chanting my name, I am taking rest. Make Om Visram. I am taking rest. I don't care about myself. Krishna is taking care. Actually, Krishna is taking care. And who can say this? Who is always chanting? He is saying like that. He is saying like that. Who is always chanting? He is saying like that. So we have to go there. That's very higher position. Devotee position is very, very superior, very, very higher. So Prabhupada is very merciful. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very merciful. That's why he had given this golden opportunity to get Krishna in this very life. So we have to get Krishna in this very life. Who have faith? Please raise their hands. So how we can go there? That very spacious, very rare planet. The only way is chant His name, adore His name, glorifying Him, the Supreme Personality of God, with the help of whatever our previous acharyas they have said. They have mentioned in their commentaries in Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, or many scriptures. So we have to follow that. In a mental speculation, we can't get that higher position. We have many lives we are doing this mental speculation. From time immemorial. Anadi karma phale padi bhavar navaji. Torivare na pailu. There is no way to deliver from this material world. Just take the shelter of a sadhu. Just take a shelter of a pure devotee. Then all the problem will vanish. You have to not think, may paun visram. Krishna will think, the Acharya Guru will think. So we have to also do our best for that. Then only we will say, we will award it like a devotee. The Lord will award the supreme position. What is the supreme title in this world? Who can say? Das. Yes, devotee. Das. This is the supreme title. Das, Dasusmi. Gopi Bhartu Padakamalyo, Dashanu, 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 Dash. This is the supreme, highest title. In all the, even also spiritual world also, this is the highest person. Dash. So we have to be the eternal servant of Krishna, Supreme Personality of God. That is our destination. That is our goal of our life. So for that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, Srila Prabhupada came. Just we have to follow him. Whatever they have said. No doubt we will go to that spiritual planet, and wherever we'll go, you can feel that one. Even also in this world also. Because Prabhupada felt like that. In ISKCON, you can see devotees are very, they are in a happy, in a joyful way they are living their life. No anxiety, no tension. If the devotee is practicing the real path, whatever the previous Acharya said, then he will be joyful. So just we have to follow that one. So we are hoping we should take care ourselves, whatever Srila Prabhupada guided us. So Krishna is very merciful, Srila Prabhupada is very merciful, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very merciful. That's why always the devotees, they are coming, they are encouraging us, they are giving the instruction whatever the previous Acharya said. So we have to charge ourselves. Sometimes this discharge is happening. So we have to again and again charge. One day the thing will come, like sun is not, someone is charging sun. So that we have to become, to get that position also. That time there is no need of charge. So we will get that one, obviously, no doubt. We have to do our best. We have to do very hard work for that. So thanks very much for your cooperation. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare. ग्रंथराज भागवतम की श्रील प्रभुपाद की श्रील गुरु महाराज की समेत भक्त वृंद की ताय गौर प्रेमानंदे. So 1-2 question we can take. Yes. Yes, bro.
We talked about mental sickness in Mana Dharma and also Shastra Dharma. So how do you understand that what we are doing is really based on Guru Sadhu Shastra or is it really?
So actually our scale is Sadhu Shastra Guru Vakya Chittetana Kariya Aikya Arna Kariya Munyasha. It is in a Narottam Das Thakur term. Another term is there. Versus Sadhu Shastra Guru Vakya. Our scale is Sadhu. Whatever Sadhu is saying, whether it is satisfying Shastra or not. Again, whether it is satisfying to Guru or not. That is our scale. If our thing, whatever we are doing, we are practicing in our devotional life, it satisfying Sadhu, Shastra, Guru, then it's right. This is not mental speculation. So you have to check every time, each and every time you have to check. That's a Chaitanya Darpana Marcha. Got it? Anyone? Okay. Hare Krishna.